Looking at a lot of sunshine out there this midday, just some high clouds moving across parts of the area. You can see that over areas of Starr County out towards the west, and some high clouds been moving across the mid and lower valley this morning, but still a lot of sunshine making it through those clouds. So it's going to be a nice warm up today with all the significant weather as far as showers and thunderstorms well down towards our south as that front, even though stationary, has been slowly moving southward, and that again keeps our conditions here pretty fair across the area. In fact, temperatures across the state pretty consistent. 85 in Amarillo, 88 in Brownsville. Not a big change across the state. Pretty consistent weather pattern taking shape, and the dew points are dropping again. This is what we feel as far as humidity out there, and the 40s and 50s, that's really dry air for this time of year, and those 50s make it almost as far south as Laredo and Corpus Christi. Even seeing Brownsville now, your dew point dropping into the 60s again. It's going to feel more comfortable this afternoon, especially overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. Your forecast highs today in the low to mid 90s across most of the area, which is very near where we should be for this time of year. Some upper 90s out around Roma. 85 degrees out on the island with east-northeast winds at 5 to 15 miles an hour. They could gust up around 20 to 25 for a little bit this afternoon before becoming fairly calm overnight tonight. Here is Futurecast. We're going to see some sun, and you see that light gray on here. That's Futurecast showing some of those high clouds moving across the area, but they're not going to be a problem. In fact, by this evening, most of that cloud cover will be well down towards the south, continuing to see that dry air moving in from the north, and that's going to set us up for a pretty nice overnight across the area. South Potty Round today, looking at no chance of rain. That surf running 84 degrees. That's awfully nice. Surf a little bit higher today at 3 to 5 feet. Rip current risk is moderate. And that UV index, if you don't have sunscreen today, this is going to be a problem. Only takes 5 to 10 minutes for you to have some severe sunburn out there. So make sure you take care of yourself out and about today, even though the temperatures aren't quite as hot. We're also seeing the pollen counts going up as well. Now we have ragweeds and tree pollen in the moderate category today to go along with the grass there. So our allergy alert today is going to be in the moderate category. Here's a look at the tropics, and not a lot going on out there. We've got the Atlantic Basin pretty quiet, although the Hurricane Center is watching this area right here as it moves slowly towards the west, and is expected to not do a whole lot over the coming days. Only a 10% chance of development between now and say the middle part of next week. You can see it just approaching the extreme eastern portions of the Caribbean, and then the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah, that's pretty quiet there. Not hard to find any clouds around, except for right along that frontal boundary as it drapes right across the Gulf. You can see some of that on the visible satellite picture there. But that's about it. So pretty quiet conditions for the valley for the coming 7 days. Hey, take a look at this 7-day forecast. So 93 today, 68 tomorrow morning. We were in the low 80s yesterday morning, so that is that dry air coming in. You're definitely going to feel it. And then 90 to 92 degrees going into the weekend. That puts us below normal on average all the way into Monday. Get out and enjoy, folks.